Hi, welcome to the Carbon Dioxide Removal Newsroom. Here's your weekly roundup of top CDR updates from past week. Carbon removal firm Equatic raised $11.6 million Series A led by Temasek Trust's Catalytic Capital and Kibo Invest. Gevo sold $1 million BECCS credits in Q2. Nebraska launched a $4.4 million biochar grant program. Mission Zero Technologies installed its first international DAC unit at Deep Sky Alpha in Alberta, capturing up to 250 tons of CO₂ annually for permanent storage. Seafields launched a second crowdfunding campaign for Sargassum-based CO₂ removal. Sayari Earth and Stellenbosch University are deploying mobile biochar units to convert invasive alien plants into stable carbon products in South Africa. Gigablue passed independent ocean CDR safety review, found no microbial impact. ICVCM approved 3 biochar and 2 forest methodologies for its high-integrity label. Charm Industrial has received the first core carbon principles labeled biochar CDR credits from Isometric. Isometric certified a new biochar storage in built environment module. International Airlines Group selected 29 startups for its 2025 accelerator, including 4 CDR firms: AirHive, Kairos Carbon, Mission Zero, and Neo Fossil. Exomad Green's Riberalta biochar facility in Bolivia received a B0 AA carbon rating. CO₂ Re, the UK's greenhouse gas removal hub, opened applications for Innovation Day 2025, giving startups a chance to showcase carbon removal tech. Deadline mid-Sept. RMI launched a tool to map and compare carbon credit types. Cascade Climate released the Weathering Potential Explorer, a global tool mapping cropland conditions to guide enhanced rock weathering projects. Eco-material technologies displaced over 5% of U.S. cement use in 2024 via fly ash and green cement, avoiding 5.5 million tons of CO₂ and cutting construction emissions. Carbon Direct published a report finding remote sensing tools could improve CDR verification in forests, but barriers remain. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you.